Even if every single business that you can even imagine could get customers online using Builderall within just a few hours, doesn't necessarily mean that you or anyone else are going to make money. Clean advertising is telling the truth, presenting things as they really are without promising an outcome. Builderall will make sense to the people who can use it. It's a bit overwhelming at first. Sometimes it takes people a little while to get ready for the dramatic changes that a platform like Builderall will make in their business and in their lifestyle.